Today on City Foodie Farm, we will be taking you inside our kitchen to create our first garden-to-table meal. An Alfredo pizza with morels, asparagus, and pickled ramps. First, we'll start by making our Alfredo sauce. You'll need to saute your shallots and garlic in butter. Next, we'll be adding in some flour. If it seems a little dry, just add a little bit more butter. Next, add in 2 cups of milk. Keep whisking and it will start to thicken.
We're going to add lots of Parmesan cheese to this.
Okay.
So it's like a true Alfredo. It's going to come back to oil.
Alfredo and bechamel are the same thing.
Alfredo has cheese and bechamel does not.
Really?
It's really the difference.
Okay.
Next, you'll want to add in some Parmesan cheese.
How much do you think that is?
Half a cup, quarter cup.
This will give it some salt
And thickness.
and thickness. So before you season it with salt, you need to add the Parmesan cheese. Pretty good. Need some salt. Pretty good though. Probably add more cheese and it would be perfect.
Next, add in a little bit more Parmesan cheese.
Or you don't have it the heat on.
No, you don't, because you can break the sauce because of the cheese.
But when did you take the heat off?
Once it achieved the thickness that I wanted.
Okay.
Maybe a touch more salt, but
Yum.
yeah.
Very good. Here's our morel mushrooms.
I want to bring it up to John Stewart.
And what do you just soak them in vinegar?
No, we use water and salt.
Oh, salt water. And it makes all the bugs come out. Our little baby patch. Can let it grow a little too much.
We keep a cage around our asparagus so the kids don't step on it.
Are you gonna let that other one go?
Yep.
Okay.
Here's a view of the morels we'll be using. They were given to us from a friend. If you need a pizza dough recipe, you can find that on cityfoodiefarm.com. Now it's time to cut your ingredients. After your morels have soaked in the salt water, you can start to chop them. Now it's time to saute your ingredients in olive oil and make sure to season.
Yeah.
It's good to actually get this out of it before we put it on the pizza.
Yeah. True. Asparagus from our garden. Help you with that.
Now it's time to roll out your pizza dough.
You're the best pizza roller ever.
No, I'm not. I try to keep the edge a little thick because then that turns into that kind of ready crust.
Okay.
And then thin out the middle using the weight. Stretch it.
I have not mastered that yet.
There, that's pretty good.
Hand toss.
Let that rise.
So if you let it sit there, it will rise?
Pop back up.
Okay. Pickled ramps. Those are so good.
Oh, the pickled rind.
And these are the leaves of the ramps. Are these going to be topped when it's cooking?
Yep, right at the end.
So it will wilt down?
Yep. They'll wilt down to almost nothing. All right.
And they taste kind of like an onion / garlic, right?
Yep.
Now it's time to top your pizza. First, spread on a thin layer of your Alfredo sauce. Next, you'll want to add in your sauteed morel mushrooms and asparagus. And next, top it with sliced shallots. And last but not least, sprinkle on some mozzarella cheese.
There.
Yum.
Whack it in the oven.
And it's at 500 degrees?
Yep.
Okay.
And now slide it on your pizza stone.
Okay, we're adding the pickled ramps.
Won't put too much of this on.
In case it's bitter.
Once you add your pickled ramps and ramp leaves, you'll want to place it back in the oven for about 5 minutes. Thanks for coming along as we made our first garden to table meal. For more videos and recipes, please subscribe and make sure to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching.